10th Standard Geography 7th Lesson. Title is Human Geography of Tamil Nadu. This is second part we are going to see about it. In the second part, mineral resources, industries, technology and transport and communication we are going to see about it. So in Tamil Nadu, we have lot of mineral resources like oil, lignite, coal, gas, iron, bauxite, gypsum, etc. These are the minerals we can see. We can get it in the Kadalur, Dindukkal, Kanjipuram, Karur, Madurai, Nagapattinam, etc. Now we'll see about the industries. Industries use raw materials and convert them into usable product or goods. Industries, it means in industries, what are the functions or what are the works is going on. It means like industries use raw materials and convert them into usable product or goods like textile, sugar, paper, leather, cement, etc. These are the industries, and also like technology, information technology and tourism industries, also major industries we have in Tamil Nadu. Now we'll see about the textile industry. It is the traditionally well developed industries in Tamil Nadu. The textile mills are concentrated in Coimbatore, Tirupur, Salem, Palladam, etc. Erode in Tamil Nadu is well known for marketing of handloom, powerloom and ready-made garments. So in particularly in Tamil Nadu, Erode is famous for marketing of handloom, powerloom and ready-made garments. Then Coimbatore. It is also known as Manchester of Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore, Tirupur and Erode contribute a major share to the state's economy through the textile industries. So this region, particularly Coimbatore, Tirupur and Erode, about this region is referred as Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu. So Tirupur, Erode and Coimbatore also is known as Textile Valley of Tamil Nadu. Karur is known as the textile capital of Tamil Nadu. Silk production. So Tamil Nadu ranks fourth place in the all over the India. Kanjipuram silk is famous for its traditional and quality value all over the world. Kanjipuram, Arani, Kumbakonam, Salem, etc. are the important silk weaving centers in Tamil Nadu. Ramanathapuram is famous for synthetic silk cloths. Synthetic, it means artificial silk and real silk mixture and mixed together and form as a synthetic silk cloths. Leather industry. Tamil Nadu accounts for 60% of leather tanning process of India and 38% of all leather footwear, garments and components. Hundreds of leather tanneries are located. Hundreds of leather tanneries or leather industries are located around Vellore and nearby towns such as Ranipet, Ambur and Vaniambadi. The Vellore is famous for the top exporter of finished leather goods in the country. Central Leather Research Institute, that is CLRI, Central Leather Research Institute, is located in Chennai. Paper industries in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Newsprint and Papers Limited is a government of Tamil Nadu enterprises producing newsprint and printing and writing paper at its mill located at Kagidapuram in Karur district. So Tamil Nadu paper industry is located in the Kagidapuram in Karur district. Tamil Nadu Paper Limited is one of the most developed mills in the world, producing different varieties of papers. Bhavani Sagar, Pallipalayam, Paramatti Velur, etc., where there are more paper industries are located. Cement industry in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Cement Corporation Limited, TANSEM. Tamil Nadu Cement Corporation Limited, TANSEM, is one among the major cement producers in Tamil Nadu, operating two cement units, one at Ariyalur and another at Alagangulam. Ariyalur and Alagangulam is the name of the place where there is cement industry located. The name of the cement industries like Sankar Cement, Zuari Cement, Ultratech Cement, etc. are the major private cement brands produced in Tamil Nadu. Information technology, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh together account for 59.6% of India's total software exports. Tamil Nadu is the second largest software exporter in the country next to Karnataka. Special Economic Zone SEZ. Special economic zones provide an internationally competitive and hassle free environment for exports. It means pollution free environment for exports. SEZ special economic zones are located in Nanguneri, Ennur, Hosur, and Perambur. Manufacturing and engineering industry. The manufacturing industry broadly covers manufacture of machinery and equipment, motor vehicles, basic metal and alloy industries, metal products and repair of capital goods. Manufacturing and engineering industry, it is covers the manufacture of machinery and equipment, motor vehicle, basic metal and alloy industries, metal products and repair of capital goods. Automobile industry. Major automobile manufacturers like Ford, Hyundai, HM Mitsubishi, Ashok Leyland and TAFE. Handloom and power looms. The handloom sector in the state is the single largest cottage industry, providing livelihood to a large number of rural people and promoting export earnings. Through the handloom and power loom industry, more people, rural people are getting job, and also through these industries promoting export earnings. These societies mainly produce of cloth required for the scheme of free supply of uniforms to school children and free distributions of saris and dhotis scheme. Sugar industry in Tamil Nadu. Sugar industries in Tamil Nadu. Sugar industry in Tamil Nadu is an important agro-based industry. It means agricultural based industry. It plays a vital role in the economic development of the state, particularly in rural areas. So particularly in the rural areas, people getting more job, and also economic development of the state occurs through this industry. The sugar industry provides large scale direct employment and indirect employment of farmers and agricultural laborers in the rural areas. So through the sugar industry, direct employment and indirect employment occurs to the farmers and also agricultural laborers in the rural areas. Tourism industry. In recent years, the state has emerged as one of the leading tourist destinations for both domestic and foreign tourists. That is leading tourism place for the both domestic and foreign people. Tourism in Tamil Nadu is promoted by Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. That is TTDC, Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation. The presence of ancient monuments, pilgrim centers, hill station, a variety of natural landscapes and long coastline are the best destination or best place for the tourist. Now we'll see about the Tamil Nadu population. The term population refers to the number of people living in a particular area. Population, it means number of people living in a particular area. Demography. Demography it means the statistical study of the characteristics of human population is called demography. Regions of high population Coimbatore, Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanjipuram, etc. are the most populous district in the state. Agriculture and industrial development are the main causes for the population of these districts. So, agriculture and industrial development occurs in these districts. Due to that, more people started to live in these districts. Regions of sparse populations in coastal districts Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Pudukottai and Ramanathapuram and Sivagangai have a less than 15 lakhs of people. The Nilgiri district has a population of less than 10 lakh people. So, in the coastal district, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Pudukottai, Ramanathapuram and Sivagangai have the less number of, that is less than 15 lakhs of people are living in Nilgiri district. Less than 10 lakhs of people are living in these areas. Population density. Chennai is the densest district, followed by Kanyakumari, Tiruvallur, Kanjipuram, Madurai. These are the regions with a high density of population, and least density of population is recorded in the Nilgiri district. High density it means more population or thick population are living in the area like Kanyakumari, Tiruvarur, Kanjipuram, etc. First place goes to the thickest population goes to the Chennai, ranks first place. Unlike least population is recorded in the Nilgiris. Now about religion in Tamil Nadu. Hinduism, Christianity and Islam are the major religions in the state. The Hindus are the largest population, followed by Christians and Muslims, Jainism, Sikhism and Buddhism, and people of other religions are also present in the state. Now, literacy rate. The district of Kanyakumari has reported the highest literacy rate, while Dharmaburi district has the lowest literacy rate. So, in the Kanyakumari ranks first place in the literacy rate in Tamil Nadu, but Dharmaburi has the least or lowest rate in the literacy. A high level of literacy rate is also seen in Chennai, Thoothukudi, the Nilgiris, and Kanjipuram districts. Transport and communication, railways. Tamil Nadu has a well developed rail network as part of Southern Railway, headquartered at Chennai. The present Southern Railway network extends over a large area of India's southern peninsula, covering Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry, minor portions of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Chennai has a well established suburban railway network, that is Mass Rapid Transport MRTS. So, suburban railway network it means like Mass Rapid Transport System, that is called as MRTS. Airways in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has four major international airports, that is Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy and Chennai. It also has a domestic airports at Tuticorin and Salem. In Tamil Nadu, domestic airports is there, that is in Thoothukudi and Salem. Chennai airport ranks third international largest airport. First two place goes to Mumbai and Delhi. Next to the Mumbai and Delhi, Chennai ranks third place or third international largest international airport. Waterways. Tamil Nadu has three major ports. They are in Chennai, Ennur and Thoothukudi. It has an intermediate port at Nagapattinam and 15 minor ports. Communication. The act of conveying or exchanging information is called means of communication. Communication it means conveying or exchanging information. They are mass communication and personal communication. Trade. Tamil Nadu trade. Export and import are the two components of trade. Exports means goods and services sold for foreign currency. Like major exports of Tamil Nadu are agricultural products, leather products, gems and jewelry, and chemicals and related products. Import. Imports refers to the goods and services are brought from overseas producers. Tamil Nadu import many goods from outside. Imports of Tamil Nadu like machineries, transport equipment, machine tools, electrical, non-electrical machinery, pharmaceutical products, petroleum products, fertilizers, and newsprint are the major imports of Tamil Nadu.